The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Laredo County in northwest Vermont, northwestern Washington County in central Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, northwestern Addison County in central Vermont, south central Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 5:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Downstairs, hang on.
The storm was near Lewis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
I'm not sure.
Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Essex, Wallensburg, Shelburne, Charlotte, Williston, St. George, Jericho, West Bolton. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Boaters on Lake Champlain should seek safe harbor now. Strong winds will cause higher waves and some wind shear return boats. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
Northwestern Washington County in
Same thing.
Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, northwestern Addison County in central Vermont, south central Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Eastern
A severe thunderstorm.
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Lewis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Essex, Wallensburg, Shelburne, Charlotte, Williston, St. George, Jericho, West Bolton. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Boaters on Lake Champlain should seek safe harbor now. Strong winds will cause higher waves, and sudden wind shifts may overturn boats. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the Franklin County, Essex County, New York, and Addison County, Vermont.
That's for me.